Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing. As we saw in the previous lesson, you can create a data source on the fly for your merged documents in Word. This saves the addresses that you create as a Microsoft database file. In the third pane of the step-by-step mail merge wizard, you are asked from where you want to select the mail merge recipients. If you select the option, type a new list from the hyperlinks shown, and then click the Create Hyperlink at the center of the pane, Word will open up the New Address List dialog box. You can use this dialog box to add, edit, delete, find, and customize the records in your data source. You can also access this dialog box by clicking the Select Recipients button in the Start Mail Merge button group on the Mailings tab, and then choose a Type New List command from the button's dropdown. To enter a new record into the data source, simply type the information into the first field, and then press the Tab key on your keyboard to move to the next field. Continue entering information until you have entered all of the necessary data for the record. If necessary, you can click the New Entry button to add a new blank record to the list. Repeat this process until you have entered all of your records into the data source. To delete a record from your data source, click into the record that you want to delete, and then click the Delete Entry button. You will need to click the Yes button in the confirmation message box that appears to delete the selected record. To find records in the data source based on the field's value, click the Find button to open up the Find Entry dialog box. In this dialog box, you type the value for which you are looking for into the Find text box. Then select the fields to search by selecting the appropriate radio button, either All Fields or this field. If you select this field, then you have to select one of the available fields from the drop-down menu to the right of the option. When you are ready, click the Find Next button to find the next data entry record that matches your criteria. You can continue doing this until you reach the end of the list. Once you have finished using this dialog box, click the Close button to return to the data form. You can click the Customize Columns button to open up the Customize Address List dialog box. This box allows you to add, delete, rename, and reorganize the order of the fields in the data source. To add a new field, click the Add button to the right side of the dialog box. In the Add Field dialog box, type a name for the new field into the text box and click the OK button to add it to the listing of fields shown.